Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your ringtone in Microsoft Teams. This is a simple customization that can help you personalize your Teams experience and ensure you never miss an important call with a ringtone that catches your attention. First things first, open your Microsoft Teams application and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials so you can access all your settings and preferences. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main Teams dashboard where you can see all your chats, teams, and recent activity. Now take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice three dots there, which is your menu icon for additional options. Go ahead and click on those three dots. A drop-down menu will appear with various choices. From this menu, click on Settings. This is where you can customize everything from notifications to device preferences and much more. After clicking Settings, a new window will open up with several options listed on the left side panel. Look through these options and click on Calls. This section is specifically designed for managing how you handle incoming and outgoing calls within Teams, including audio settings and call forwarding features. Once you're in the Calls section, scroll down until you see Call Handling and Forwarding. This is the area where Teams lets you control how calls are routed to you and what happens when someone tries to reach you. It's a crucial section for anyone who relies on Teams for regular communication. Inside the Call Handling and Forwarding section, find the option that says Choose a ringtone for you. This is exactly what we're looking for. Right beside this text, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down menu and it will reveal a list of available ringtones that Microsoft Teams offers. Take your time browsing through the options and choose the ringtone you prefer. You can select one that's distinctive enough to grab your attention but also professional for your work environment. And that's it. You've successfully changed your ringtone in Microsoft Teams. Now, whenever you receive a call, you'll hear your newly selected ringtone, making it easier to distinguish Teams calls from other notifications. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.